Maybe it's time you when the tables turn. Cause in the interest of all involved, I got the problem solved. And the verdict is guilty. Bad illegal mates, all the way of here to try. Stop, top, and roll. You were dead from the get-go, been Mount Burner. Till I got stuck away, scared of me now. Then you tell me that I thought always is and never was. Don't measure me to be some vinegar. Stop, tell me, ask me. Think I fear your bullshit. Just another dumb bum jumping up this shit. It's another way to break through the noise. When the circle that I said, you got your pen. Gotta be that way if you want it. Sanity, literal profanity, yeah, man. Smash it out. All you wanna do is shut me down. All I wanna do is step me around. Smash it out. All you wanna do is shut me down. All I wanna do is step you out. Maybe it's the way you gotta spend a lot of room. I finally keep know you live in label when you realize. Step up third. I guess it's time to bury your ass with the chrome. Straight to the dome. You hear me right, bitch? Out in the sun. And if you know it's good, just shut up and fake. Brother, backstab. Don't you know you're distance? I'm yeah, since you get shot, taking a minute back, boy, I don't hear shit, cause the gates hit it louder. Come on, I get a face full of tactic, living up bar, going home in a basket. You get up on the power, no, nothing, nice, that shit. Well, ain't that something, pale, don't protect, and you can have if you want, but I'll find you coming up behind you.